What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Saturday. So today I'm going to do a weekly recap video on my Robinhood dividend portfolio. I'm going to show you guys how all my players are doing in my portfolio. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing into any stock or cryptocurrency. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to follow me on my investment journey with dividends and investing into the stock market. I appreciate everyone that's been subscribing. Thank you so much for the support. So before I begin, I want to give a shout out to my good friend of mine, Retire on Dividends. If you guys haven't subscribed to his channel or joined his Discord yet, definitely check him out. His channel is amazing. He's been helping me a lot as well, learning about yield max, high dividend investing, and everything. He knows a lot. As well, he's learning as he's going, as well as I am. So we're definitely trying to build a community here. So definitely check him out. Retire on Dividends on YouTube. So let's head on to Robinhood. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. Okay, so like I said, make sure you do your own research before getting into any of these plays. This is just my strategy. So the portfolio right now is at $51,515. In the past week, it's down $1,051. In the past month, it's down $1,356. In the past 3 months, down $975. Year to date, it's down $2,397. In the past year, it's up $2,653. All time, it's up $1,377. So if any of you saw my video from yesterday where I announced all my dividends, clip my play here for my fourth week. Clip paid me yesterday. So they paid me around $255, I think it was. If you guys saw my video yesterday, my margin used was around $400 plus. Now that the clip dividend hit the portfolio, you guys see it went down to minus 233. So the dividends are paying back the margin. I'm not paying it back with my money. The dividends are paying it back. So now I have $765 to play with. Now, since we already know what IWMY, which is the Defiance funds, are going to pay me, I think I'm going to get around $700 plus from Defiance. That margin used is going to be all paid for again. Now my total amount of margin to play with is going to be $1,000 again. So the dividends are just basically paying everything back. I got money to play with again and use it to reinvest into all the funds I got. All right, so that's how I'm playing my strategy. Now let's show you guys all the plays that I have. I'm going to start off with the weekly payers because those are the new ones to the portfolio. I haven't received anything yet, and I only have fractional shares. I don't have a full share of these because they're at $52, $40 plus. You know, I usually try to buy little amounts each and every single day. But I got fractional shares. The Roundhill XDTE, the S&P 500 cover call strategy. These pay a dividend every single week. I threw $10 in there. I'm only up 8 cents. I want to see how these perform in the long term as well, but they are weekly payers. So that's something I like. I like getting money every single week, every single month, every single 3 months. So that's why I have all these plays in the portfolio. And then I have QDTE, which is the Roundhill cover call strategy for the NASDAQ 100 index, okay? So you got the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, and I threw $10 in here. I am up only 6 cents. So we'll see how these perform. And then we got first week, IWMY, 208 shares. They're gonna pay me a distribution of around $700 on Tuesday. I'm down $596. So basically the distribution that they're going to give me, I'm going to get a way higher distribution than what I'm down. I'm only down $596. So the distribution, I made basically a $200 profit on top of what they've been giving me the last couple of months. So this is the great thing about dollar cost averaging. You just keep on buying and eventually the dividends just pay back, whatever you started with, or they even give you more in the longer term, in my opinion. That's the way I see it. So IWNY has been doing great. The Defiance S&P 500, another Defiance fund, which has been pretty stable. The NAV has been pretty stable. I'm up $1.55. I got 4 shares. And then I got JEPI, 1 in fractional shares. I'm up $3.45. JEPQ, I got 1 share finally. I'm up $1.66. So all of my first week plays I like a lot. They've been doing great. Second week is the big one. I got Coney, the Coinbase Option Income Strategy ETF from YieldMax. I am down big in this play. I have 345 shares. I'm always going to be transparent with you guys, whether I'm down big in the play or I'm up big in the play. I don't want to be like these other YouTubers that are afraid to show when they're down in the play. You know, you got to be very transparent, I feel, with your audience. So I'm going to show you if I'm down big. That's why I always encourage everyone to do their own research because, you know, I could be down big. I don't want you guys to come here and blame me that you're down big in the play. You guys got to do your research and make sure you like that certain stock or crypto. So I'm down 1,973 in the Coinbase Option Income Strategy. MSTY, which is the micro strategy from YieldMax, 240 shares. I'm down 1,536. Realty Income, one of the greatest REITs out there in my opinion. 64 shares. I'm up $688. AGNC, I got 4 shares. I'm up 68 cents. Stag Industrial, I got 2 shares. I'm up $5.62. And then I got Main Street Capital, 1 share, and I'm up 32 cents. Apple Hospitality REIT, 1 and fractional shares. I'm up 64 cents. Agree Realty, 1 and fractional shares. I'm up $6.07. SL Green Realty, fractional shares. I'm up $2.52. So these are all my second week plays. Now let's head on to third week. I got the YMAX, the YieldMax Universe Fund, 404 shares. I'm down $1,030. YMAG, which is my favorite, in my opinion, I think is better than YMAX. The Magnificent 7. I got 348 shares. I'm down $523. Prospect Capital, 43 shares. Now this stock has made a comeback for me. I was buying the lows. It was around $4.80, I believe, $4.90. I kept on buying and buying and buying. And I'm only down $3 now. So it's looking good. And they pay a little dividend here every single month. You guys can see with Prospect, I'm going to get $2.50 for September already. So that's good to see. And then we got the fourth week. Obviously, Clip is my worst performing stock in my fourth week. I'm going to hold on to it to see what it does. I think it's going to do a reverse split eventually. So I'm going to see how that performs. I got 646 shares. I'm down 1,242. Gladstone Investment. I got 17 shares. I'm down $15.32. And then I got DIVO, which has been probably the best performing one for my fourth week. I got 4 in fractional shares. I'm up $8.66, and it pays a pretty decent dividend every month. FEPI, 1 in fractional shares. I'm down $3.10. All right, so those are my fourth week plays. Now let's head on to my growth and dividend plays. These are all for growth. They pay a dividend every 3 months or so. So these are the ones I have. A lot of them might be they're very well-known stocks that a lot of people know. So Coca-Cola, fractional shares, I'm up 3 cents. Broadcom, AVGO, fractional shares, I'm up 2 cents. United Health, I got fractionals, I'm up 7 cents. Bank of America, I got fractionals, I'm up 32 cents. Pepsi, fractionals, I'm down 18 cents with Pepsi. McDonald's, I got fractionals as well. I'm only up 1 cent. Johnson & Johnson, I'm up 28 cents. They're paying me 7 cents next month of a distribution. Home Depot fractionals, I'm down 12 cents, but they are paying me 7 cents of a distribution for September. And then we got the Vanguard S&P 500. Got 3 shares. I'm up 381. SDHD, I got 20 shares. I'm up 256. Okay, so these are all my growth and dividend plays. That's basically everything in the portfolio. Now let's see if there are any dividends already going to hit the portfolio for next month. Let's see what we got here. We're going to, let's see, dividends. Let's go to individual investing. So we got a lot of the REITs are already going to hit. We got PSCC, which I already talked about, Home Depot, and Johnson & Johnson. So Johnson & Johnson is going to be 7 cents, AG&C 54, Home Depot 7 cents, Apple Hospitality 15 cents, Stag 28 cents, ADC 28 cents, SLG 19 cents, and PSCC at $2.50. So we already got plays hitting the portfolio next month. We're gonna wait to see. Gonna wait to see how all the other Defiance, the Yield Max funds pay out for September. So, like I said, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's see if September I could break more than $2,000 in dividends. We'll see how all of that plays out. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you leave me any comments or questions down below. You can sign up using my You can sign up using Robinhood with my link down below. You guys get a free stock. You can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. And I appreciate all of you for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.